Hi, my name is Tando and I'll be walking you through our litmus system from logging in, your dashboard, and accessing your learning paths. So to begin, you would have received an email with a link, and after clicking that link, this is what should appear. You'll put in your username over here, put in your password over here, and then click login. This will take you to your dashboard. Welcome to your dashboard. We'll start from the top. Your home button is where you will find your dashboard. Content library, where depending on the access you're granted, you'll find your other courses and learning pathways. Achievements lists all the courses that you've completed and any badges or points that you have earned. So moving further down, you can choose to see your pathways in the following: either all your pathways, those in progress, those overdue, not started, and those completed. And to your right, you can choose to see your pathways either in list view or in tiles view. And now I'm going to take you through to our Communicating Effectively learning path so that you're familiar with the format and can navigate your pathway quite easily. So to begin, you click on your learning path, and this is what you should see. You will see your course image, your course name and description, as well as your start button over here. And then over here is the progress to see how far you are from completing your learning path. Moving further down, this is where you will find the modules of your learning pathway, and over here is where you will find any additional references. These are the resources that are going to help you in completing your pathway. I've gone ahead and pressed the green start button to begin my course, but before we get started, let's go through the menu. So to access your menu, you are going to press over here. This button is where you will find the modules of your learning course. This button over here is where you can access your additional references. And then moving all the way to the right, here is the option to go to your next module, and here is where you can exit. And remember that you can come back and access your account to watch your courses on any device at any time that suits you. If you'd like to test our online learning system or need further information, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. Thank you for watching. Now, let's get started.
Effective communication is one of the most important life skills we can learn, and yet it's not something most people put a lot of effort into. We accept that some people are naturally good at public speaking or are really good at getting their point across in meetings. The truth is, effective communication is a skill, and like any skill, with practice you can improve. Effective communication